Well, what happens when you are a solopreneur is that you want to be immersed in your work, because your work becomes your life, and it becomes your life because you love what you do and you enjoy it, and every day seems to be, really not work. However, as a solopreneur, as a self-employed professional, you need to pause. You need to also understand that your body needs rest, your mind needs rest, and so self-care is a very important aspect of what you do and how you support yourself, and balance your life. At the same time, we have all these relationships around us which you need to also nurture. So while you're immersed in your work and everything, you need to do things to balance it all from your work and with your family, because your family is your support system eventually, and they need your time, your attention, and they need, our relationships also need to be refilled in that way. So yes, I mean, take time out to learn something. Take time out to, when I say learn something, not necessarily your craft, it could be something beyond your craft. It could be how to change a tire, it could be origami, it could be anything. Just do something which is very different to what you are doing. Pay a lot of attention to your health, because as solopreneurs we forget that, like I said, our body needs rest. So fitness, eating right, eating on time, hydrating yourself, having the time to socialize and having fun with your family and friends is also very vital, vital for you. And times like these where we are work from home, it's important to also get out there and bask in the sun or just walk on grass, but do something that kind of balances your being as well.
Hello, welcome to Shepreneur Stories series, an initiative by 46XX. Let's listen in to the story of Farzana Suri, a victory coach, trainer, and a numerologist